I have an inquiry for you. What's the craziest thing that you think can make you cash with such ease? I know, a couple of paying attention to music, tapping buttons, swiping screens, doing overviews, and so forth. However, how might you respond assuming I let you know that you can bring cash with the new state simply by watch recordings, play recordings, understand funnies? Crazy, isn't that so? I mean, it's mind blowing how individual can bring in cash online today, and we can do every one of these while in the solace of our own homes. Envisioning bringing in nice cash just by doing this multitude of things. It would be an incredible treat. It would likewise be saving you from the monetary weight with the cash that you will make from this strategy. You will have the option to accommodate yourself and not only for yourself yet, in addition, your loved ones. This is astounding in light of the fact that once you lay out this pay stream, continuously it will end up being an automated revenue stream that will accommodate your necessities. You will not need to stress over bills and installments. You will not need to stress over the wide range of various cash stuff. Since the flow of your cash is steady well and so far, as you're likewise reliable with this technique, so relax and enjoy the moment of the entire video so that you'll know how to set up this pristine technique that I will examine. By the manner in which besides this technique is so natural to do, it's additionally free and accessible for each edge of the world. So any place you're from, you can do this strategy and bring in cash out of it. You won't require any immense web-based entertainment following, particular expertise, or specialized ability. And you will not be selling anything. You should simply watch this video to know how to do things the simple way. Yet, before we start, welcome to Money Girl, where we show you how to bring in cash online in the most straightforward way. Make a point to buy into this feed and remember to tap on the warning ringer. So at whatever point we transfer another video on the best way to bring in cash on the web, you will be refreshed and you can begin getting things going. Likewise, if it's not too much trouble, offer this video a major go ahead. And if ever you have any worries, questions, or feelings about the video, don't be timid and simply leave a remark down underneath. Presently, how about we return to the video? So to start today's video, let's head on to the animationarena.com. This is going to be the main website that we are going to be using its today's method, which will make us watch movies, play games, and read comics and pay us at the same time. This is what the website will look like if you proceed to their homepage. Now here is the twist. It will be hard to find manually the link where we will make money from this website. So here's what we're going to do on the URL bar. Type this instead animationarena.com, arenawriter.html, so that you will be redirected to the website that will make us money. They get paid to write a section once you're on here. This will be the web page that you will see as you can see here. You will get paid to write video, game, comic book, and movie reviews. That's what we're going to do for today's method. You may think that this is easy money, but hold your horses. It is easy money, but it's somewhat hard to set up just like this website. It would have been hard for us to find this website manually, but with a little technique and some industry secrets, we proceeded here, where we are supposed to be to make money. As you'll write here, no professional experience is necessary. All we ask is that you have a genuine passion for the subject matter and that your grammar is clear enough for our readers to understand. If you proceed reading in this section, you will see that there is a minimum word count for each review, and it must be original and not copied from other reviewers. To not practice plagiarism, they will also show you how much you're going to make out of every review and how many times you can review for a month. This is going to be easy for us, since we will be reviewing interesting things like movies, games, and comics. There is a big chance that we may not get bored by doing this method because we will enjoy it at the same time. So it's that easy to make a decent amount per month. This amount would have lessened your financial burdens, or you could use savings, since there is a limit to the number of reviews you can submit, as they say here. If you're interested in working and writing for the arena, you can send them by email samples of your writing. You can send it through arenamaster@animationarena.com and place writing for the Animation Arena in the subject line. And within your email, which is to be sent to them, you must include the following details with your first name, your age, what subject do you like to review, what do you think makes a good review, what is your favorite TV show, what games are you playing right now, and what games you're looking forward to playing, what comic books you're reading right now, and what are your top 5 movies for the year. You have to answer these questions and include them in your email, because we highly suggest that you try this method out so that you can earn an automatic monthly income. That is why you also need to follow everything that you will learn in this video, so that you will be able to earn online money just like I do. Don't be scared and shy to write this email. Be confident enough to show them that you want to be part of their team in writing reviews. Just like I mentioned earlier, I will be introducing another platform that will also help us make money with the same method, watching videos. Now let's get back to the video. I mean, they have a lot more to offer than just videos. They also have surveys and other tasks involving advertising and web surfing. For the sake of this video, we will prioritize watching videos. The next app that I'll show you is a cashkick.com. This website will pay you directly with a hard cold cash via PayPal or bank transfer. As you can see here, according to them, earning money on their platform is just a 3-step process. Step 1. Find and complete your mission or your task. Step 2. Watch the earnings growth in your account. And Step 3. Cash out early, easily, and often. Now to verify if this website is legit, just scroll down below and read the testimonials of these users. You can profit off of the consistency they dedicated to the platform. Now to start money in the Cash Kick, all you have to do is go to their website. If you're using a personal computer, or download the app on your mobile device. Now on the website, just input the data needed here and click continue. After that, just fill in the necessary boxes with the information needed and successfully register your account. That's it. You can now start making money off and Cash Kick to cap things off. These are 2 highly recommended platforms that you must try to have an income stream that will support you and your family's daily needs. Because investing your time in these will surely guarantee you money every month. Just do it with consistency and that's it. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Smash the like button and I'll see you in the next video.